Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice math problem? From here, we can rewrite what is given here. 41 can be written as 22 plus 19, then all raised to power 3, then plus 22 raised to power 3, then divided by, here we have 19 raised to power 3, then plus, also here 41 we write it as 22 plus 19, then raised to power 3. Then here, to make our work easier, let's represent 22 with a letter and 19 with a letter. So let letter A be equals to 22 and also letter B be equals to 19. Then from what we have here, this will become A plus B all raised to power 3, then plus A raised to power 3, now divided by, here we have B raised to power 3, then plus, also we have A plus B all raised to power 3. Now also for simpler work here, let's represent A plus B with a letter. So let X be equals to A plus B. And from here, this can be written as X raised to power 3 now, then plus A raised to power 3, then divided by B raised to power 3, then plus, also here X raised to power 3. Then what we have here, from the sum of two cubes, we can write this from when we have A cube plus B cube. This is A plus B, then into bracket A square minus AB plus B square. So applying this here now, this becomes X plus A, then into bracket, here we have X square, then minus AX, then plus A square. So that's what we have there, then divided by, also from here we have B plus X, then into bracket, also we have B square, then minus BX, then plus X square. Then from here, let's recall that we represented X as A plus B. So we can replace X here as A plus B, and this becomes A plus B, then plus A, then into bracket, here also we have A plus B square, A plus B all square, then minus A into bracket, also A plus B, then plus A square, then close bracket, which is divided by, also from what we have here, we have B into bracket B plus X, where X is A plus B, so we have plus A plus B, then also we have B square, then minus B into bracket, also A plus B, then plus, here we have into bracket A plus B all square, then close bracket. Then when we simplify here, we have A plus A, that's 2A, then plus B, then we have into bracket, here we can expand this, and this gives us A square plus 2AB plus B square, then minus A, open this bracket, we have minus A square, then minus AB, then plus a square, close bracket, which is divided by, similarly here in the denominator, we have b plus b, this is 2b plus a, then into bracket, also open bracket, we have b square here, then minus b open bracket here, we have minus ab, then minus b square, then plus expansion here, also we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then when we reduce this from here, we also have 2a plus b there, then into bracket here we have this, you can say minus a square plus a square here, we cancel out, then we have a square, then we have 2ab minus ab, that's plus ab, then we have plus b square, then close bracket, which is divided by, also in the denominator here we have into bracket 2b plus a, then also into bracket here you can say b square minus b square cancel out, then we have a square, then we have minus ab plus 2ab, that's still plus ab, then here left to it b square, that's plus b square. Then what is inside this bracket? Same thing, so this can cancel each other, and what we have left here is simply equals to 2a plus b over 2b plus a. Then from here we can recall that a is equals to 22 and b is equals to 19. That is, here this can now become 2 into bracket 22 plus 19, then over 2 times also 19, then plus 22. Then what we have here, 2 times 22, that's 44. So we have here 44 plus 19, then over 2 times 19, we have 38, then plus 22. Then this gives us 44 plus 19 here, we have 63. Then over 38 plus 22 here, we have 60. And also we can reduce this by dividing through here by 3. And this will reduce to 21 over 23. So therefore, here we have the solution to this problem as 21 over 2. Sorry, this is 20, so we have 21 over 20. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on. Share this video. If you have another way of solving this, put it in the comments. And thank you. And don't forget to join us next class.